hello Yams! Happy birthday! Sana masaya ka sa iyong birthday. At still fighting lang. Sana matiis mo pa at sana makapagtiyaga ka pa sa ating trabaho na halos parehas lang ang mga ng amo natin, sana yun nga, laging alagaan ng sarili. Yung mga bawal at hindi bawal kainin, exercise, yan. Doon na kasi tayo papunta. Kaya yun, stay strong at saka malakas pa. Yun, kumain ng masustansyang pagkain. Kailangan natin yan. At stay happy. Yan. Happy birthday again. See you. Kahit hindi tayo magkasama ngayong day off na to, okay lang yan. Fight.
Happy birthday.
Hello po, happy birthday po sa inyo.
Yun nga po, happy blast of birthday po sa inyo, Tito Vic. Wish ko lang po, lagi po kayong mag-iingat. At alam niyo naman po na pares ko kayong mahal dalawa ni Mama. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit. I love you.
Hi Tito Vic. So ayun na nga, bago ang lahat, I just wanna say happy birthday po. I also wanna take this chance to thank you. Una-una po for always being there kay Mama. Lalo ngayong malayo kayo sa amin. Tapos magkaiba pa kayo ng work. Pero ramdam pa rin po namin yung support and care nyo sa isa't isa. Lalo na po sa amin dito kahit malayo kayo. We feel na nandito kayo. Alam po namin yung hirap dyan, kaya panatag po kami na may kasama siya. And that really means a lot to us. Thank you rin po for being so kind and generous sa amin. Sa mga little gifts and mga advice nyo na minsan is para kami napapagalitan. Pero na-appreciate po namin lahat yon. Kaya naman, wala po akong ibang prayers and wish kundi sana makamit nyo po lahat ng goals and dreams nyo sa life. We believe na deserve nyo po lahat yon. Kaya I pray na more blessings, good health, and sana always peaceful kayo and happy kayo. And I pray din na lagi po kayo mag-ingat dyan. Take care of yourselves. And don't forget to enjoy, especially this your birthday. So yun lamang po, Tito Vic. Love lots. Ingat.
Tito Vic, happy birthday. I won't say much, but I wish you a fabulous birthday surrounded with love, joy, and all the things that make you smile. Stay healthy and take care.
Happy birthday to Aris. My dear to Aris, happy birthday. May this year be the most wonderful things into your life. You truly deserve it. Again, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at marami pang birthday. At thank you to sa tanan imong pagtabang sa amo. Salamat tanan sa imong kaayo. Salamat again. Happy birthday to Aris.
Happy birthday, Hibik! We wish you many more birthdays to come. God bless and thank you for everything. We love you. Mwah! I love you. Mwah! Oh, yes.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sis. Singit-singit lang ni Happy Tiyo kay dagang kayo trabaho unta. Mawala lang kag pila ka adlaw. Wa na, waiting na. Uy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wala si Panikoy kay na missing in action si Panikoy. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday, Ate Vic.
Wishing you a prosperous years ahead.
ahead and to come.
Birthday to Tobay.
Be happy birthday, Tito Be. Happy birthday, Tito Be.
birthday, Ninang, ni, inani, nang, big, big, I love ni, nang, mwah, ping, ping.
Hi bro, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa kaarawan mo. Good health and more blessed ka. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro. Nabigyan ka pa
Huwag
ni
kang
Lord
magbago. Love you bro.
Maraming birthday.
Yes, at more TikTok.
Bigay pa ni Lord.
Gumagaling ka na mag-TikTok ah.
Lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan. Happy birthday.
Stay strong. Happy birthday bro.
Birthday. Bye. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Vic. Thank you sa online friendship. Thank you at may YouTube at nagkakilala. Kilala tayo, pati nila Sis Angel. Sana one day magkita tayo sa personal, makabisita sa Bohol. Thank you so much. Happy birthday again. Wish you all the best and good luck. Pray lang tayo.
Happy birthday, kapatid! I wish you good health and enjoy your special day. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Ayun, God bless always. Happy birthday again.
Hi, B. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And all the best to you. God bless you always.
Hello, Vic. Today is your birthday, and I am wishing you a bright future and a year full of achievements. Stay motivated and keep moving forward. Again, happy birthday, and I hope all my wishes will come true. God bless you and keep safe always.
Vic, para sa'yo, happy birthday. God bless. Sensya ka na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vic. Para sa'yo. Kay Bilor. Kay Biste. Akin. Para sa'yo. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Lods, happy birthday. Alam mo na. Alam mo na, happy birthday Lods. Happy birthday. Gusto mong mais? Happy birthday Lods. God bless. Tiis lang. Laban lang. Laban. Ayan ha. Niladlad ko pa yung buhok ko para maganda. Happy birthday, Lods. Pag-pray ka na lang namin sa pagsimba namin.